I'm David Osterberry, sophomore at Creighton University. I'm majoring in physics. Right now I'm working with Father McShane on building a cosmic ray detector for the Cosmic Ray Observatory project. We're working on developing a low-cost detector system that can be implemented in the high schools around Nebraska that have these detector systems. So far it's been another piece of experience I can put on my resume, and right now I have a good shot at getting an internship at JPL this summer, so I hope that that has contributed to that.
I'm Tim Nendick. I'm an atmospheric science major. I'm a sophomore at Creighton University. The project uses stereophotography and stereophotogrammetry. The idea is to take kind of pictures from two angles on cameras that are very similar, and take those and kind of combine them three-dimensionally. So we have kind of these two images here, and they've been combined. And so by taking these images and applying a matrix operation to them, we can find where a point is in 3 dimensions, kind of from the intrinsic camera properties. There are lots and lots of grants out there, and this one just happened to be kind of the right fit for me.
My name is Kierig Weidman. I go to the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, and my major is mechanical engineering. I'm currently working on Nebraska's NASA Microgravity University team. And what we're doing is we're validating the crowd cooler that is supposed to be used for the Vasimir demonstrator mission on the International Space Station in 2013.
Microgravity University is kind of a sponsorship between NASA and a variety of universities. And then it also pairs you up with a faculty mentor in industry. And our mentor is Ben Longmire, who is a research scientist at Astra. It's a rocket company in Houston. And they're responsible for developing this Vasimir rocket propulsion system that our crowd cooler is potentially going to be tested on the space station, hopefully, in a few years.
Since working on Microgravity University, I've found out about opportunities to internship at the NASA Center at the Johnson Space Center in Houston, and also at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory. So I've been interested in those, and I'm applying for those.
My name is Jeffrey Kipist. I'm a student at the University of Nebraska at Omaha. My major is in master's in biomechanics. The current research project I am working on is investigating how listening to different types of noises affects the way we walk over a long period of time. The thought behind this is specifically that usually as we age or as a disease progresses, our walking actually becomes more impaired than it would if in a normal, healthy condition. And therefore, I'm looking to see if a certain type of noise, when presented to the ears, will affect the way we walk and actually possibly improve our walking patterns, or if one type of noise specifically makes us walk more unhealthy. And this could carry over possibly into NASA in affecting possibly astronauts when they return from space, as far as maybe listening to this type of noise to practice and improve their walking when they first come back.
My name is Sarah Myers, and I'm a student at the University of Nebraska Medical Center, and my major is biomechanics and motor control. My current research project is seeking to determine the effect of ischemia on lower extremity muscular strength. What I'm doing is taking healthy young and older individuals, and healthy meaning that they have adequate blood flow to their legs, and I'm using blood pressure tourniquet cuffs to create a vascular occlusion situation so they have limited blood flow to their legs. And then I'm using a device called a dynamometer, which will measure force and determining if they have changes in muscle strength before and after the occlusion, the induced occlusion.
So I found out about the fellowship through an email that I received. I'm on the listserv for the NASA Nebraska program, so I get updates whenever there's an opportunity. Our lab also has a good record of funding with NASA, so once I found out about the fellowship opportunity, I just applied through the website following the application instructions and submitted it according to the instructions.
Anyone who wants to apply, I mean, the best thing is just to start talking to professors, start getting in relationships with these people.
The easiest way to find information about the application is from the UNO Space Grant website, and so that's where I actually went on and got all of the information for the application and how to prepare and submit for the fellowship.
Well, this really is a great thing to be associated with NASA and such a prestigious company, and to put that on your resume really does a lot to enhance your credibility, I think.
The fellowship is quite easy to find. You just go on the website, type in NASA, and it pops up.
Getting the experience to go down to Houston, to the Johnson Space Center, tour facilities there, and to ride on the airplane and do our research in places where state-of-the-art technology and research is being conducted it's a great opportunity.